Hey guys, Tom Deese, Southern Pines Nissan Kia Service Manager. Here at Southern Pines Nissan Kia, customers always ask us why you should bring your car to us. We have specialty equipment, we have all the special factory tools you need, factory trained technicians, state-of-the-art equipment. Come on in guys, let's take a look at the shop. As you come into the service drive, you'll be greeted by one of our service attendants. They will greet you and take any concerns that you may have. Then one of my lot attendants will check your tire pressure, your wheel alignment, your tire tread depth, and check your battery percentage and health. Then the vehicle goes into the shop for repairs. We service all makes, all models. We offer service loaners for any type of repair. We do have factory trained technicians using factory parts. We offer easy competitive pricing, and we provide a quick, convenient service.